Thanks for joining us for another episode of About Lehigh Valley, where we love to live, work, and play. Today we're at Players of the Stage Summer Camp, where kids learn to act and give back.
What's the line? I'm not a Girl Scout.
I'm not a...
All right, poor child. I'm not a Girl Scout. In fact, I never was.
No, I won't.
Then I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow your house down.
We are at Living Hope Presbyterian Church, where we are holding a rehearsal for our camp for Players of the Stage. Players of the Stage has been around for almost 20 years. We started out as a really small group of actors who were looking to sharpen our acting skills and to perform. And over the years, our program has grown and grown to where we do 2 productions a year, and we do 4 public summer camps a year, where we have about 30 students come in and we give them lessons. We do theater exercises. Each kid gets 2 parts, one larger, one smaller, and that way they can be the star of their own little set, if that makes sense. And they each get 2 costumes and lights and props. It's a really good time.
The chef can let me know when it's done roasting.
My, what a dreadful mess.
Who are you?
It's quite disorganized. Toys and clothes strewn everywhere. I'll go back now to my own room to prepare for you. Sansa?
I think something that we have that's really unique is that we expect professionalism from our young actors. We have 5-year-old actors and we have 18-year-old actors, and no matter what your age, we expect you to show up, to do the work, to learn, and to grow. And of course, we're going to take into consideration, okay, you're 5, maybe you can't read, so we're not going to give you 50 lines in a week to memorize, but we still want to teach them the basic tenets of theater, and that theater is about dedication, it's about teamwork, it's about vulnerability, it's about connecting with another human being, and we don't really allow for laziness or self-centeredness, which is destructive to the art and to the creative process.
In terms of volume, I noticed that Andrew line and by extension the entire scene. That should shock you, and that should be visible in your face.
Oh, and I'm another person who turn you into a frog.
Yeah.
So we like to talk about Players of Stage as a teaching theater. So by the time our students graduate, that they have a really good foundation for the arts. So when I went to Northampton Community College, I knew I was acting on instinct rather than acting from a technical background, which was fine, but I had to undo a lot of the things that I had learned that weren't necessarily helping me to create a character. And so I want our students to leave having a framework of technique and emotion at the same time, so that they know how to both be a technician and to create that artistic side of them. We do all of our productions for a charity, so we don't charge for tickets. We ask people to come in, and in lieu of tickets, they can give a donation to the charity that we're supporting with the production. We've raised $141,000 for the Allentown Rescue Mission, and altogether we've raised $208,000 for various ministries around the Lehigh Valley. So these kids are helping keep homeless men off the street, they're helping expectant mothers, and they get to do that through using their creative talents, which I think is really important.
Well, are we awake in here, ladies? Having trouble sleeping, are we? Annie, girl, wake up. You want something, Miss Hampton?
I never said such a thing in all my life, and whoever said it got it out of whole cloth.
We went out both our houses. What are we going to do? Do not fear, sisters. Mommy.
Thanks for watching this episode of About Lehigh Valley. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and comment, and let us know the best play that you've ever seen.